I know I'm a little bit behind the times, but I finally have a TV set up in my shed. I've had some of this stuff for a few years, but kind of got forgotten about. This wall mount, my dad bought it for my mom when she went into long-term care, but she ended up not needing it. Then it got stored at my place. This computer monitor was in my crawl space as well. And I'm casting from my phone to the TV using Google Chromecast, but we don't use it anymore. My wife has some other means to cast. So I usually get my best ideas right before bed, and I thought, well, why not try this out? So I hooked everything up. My wife figured out all the passwords. I had to get Google Home on my phone. And so now when I'm in here, I can actually watch YouTube videos. I find it really hard keeping up with my subscriptions. So now maybe I'll be able to keep up with you guys and do some work at the same time. We don't have cable or satellite, but we do have internet. I'm watching some guy, it's called Subarctic Wolf Tools and Outdoors. Looks like a pretty good channel.